The backlog in the issuance of license plates to motor vehicles has spawned a number of problems. Motoring Forum discusses the many consequences of the license plate backlogs.
We see it every day. Vehicles of two-wheeled or four and more varieties on the road with license plates wholly or partially covered or without license plates at all. Some have commemorative plates, some with so-called vanity plates, all obviously not sanctioned or issued by the property authority, which is to say the Land Transportation Office. And more often than not, authorities turn a blind eye to these obvious anomalies. How and why has this come to pass? Many lay the blame. Questionable processes and contracts for the manufacture and distribution of license that past LTO administration subcontracted to the private sector that led to the backlogs in the millions. That stopped authorities from strict implementation of the no plate, no travel policy. Conduction stickers became the only way vehicles can be identified. And LTO mandated that in lieu of license plates, vehicle owners or dealerships can use conduction sticker numbers as well as registration numbers for temporary license plates. But then, many vehicle owners became creative at it. Even when the LTO moved to take over production of the license plates, acquiring robot stamping machines, backlogs remained a problem. Then the pandemic hit. LTO had to extend registration renewal deadlines, adding to the confusion and giving vehicle owners even more alibis for not sporting proper license plates. This was a situation when local government units and the MMDA began to implement respective no-contact apprehension programs. License plate numbers play a crucial role in identifying vehicles involved in traffic violations. A trend started with vehicle owners finding creative ways to make it more difficult for even the eagle-eyed CCTV operators to read license plate numbers. A dirty license plate, a faded license plate, old commemorative plates, preferably police or military, fake vanity plates. Some vehicle owners took to not displaying license plate already issued, banking on traffic enforcers, turning a blind eye to these obvious violations while concentrating on entrapping motorists for removing violations. Authorities are now catching on to this tactic to avoid NCAP summons and citations. They are also wary of having difficulty identifying perpetrators of criminal activities, hit and runs, and accidents from unreadable or missing license plates. LTO and MMD officials are saying they will go after owners of motor vehicles with illegal, unreadable, or missing license plates. They should do more than just saying they will go after them.
Aside from solving the problem of backlogs, authorities really need to crack down on those using illegal license plates, covering them or simply not installing them at all. That's our Motoring Forum this week, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.